Okay, so today I want to talk to you about what is this stuff called? Oh, black soap, right? And some of the do's and don'ts when it comes to black soap, and something you need to make sure you take care of when you're doing this stuff. So, without further ado, let's get into this episode of Mike Tells You Things. You go research it, and then you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so. Okay, so what I have in my hand here, this is a chunk of black soap, right? It's just a chunk of black soap. And one of the important things to know about this soap is that it's made with like ashes and burnt pieces and pods and whatnot. And what happens is when this is being constructed in its raw form, like you see it now, it can have rocks in it. You get pieces of coal in it. It can have a lot of dirt in it. And that dirt can really cause you issues when it comes to you rubbing directly onto your skin. Also, because of the amount of ash and burnt stuff that's inside of it, it can actually strip away a lot of the natural oils that your body does have. So one important thing to do, well, one important thing not to do is when you're using the soap is that once you get out the shower to not hydrate, not to moisturize, because that lack of moisturization will lead to cracking of your skin and causing your skin to just feel really rough and terrible and just and you don't want that. It's very important to make sure you hydrate after. So if you're going to use a black soap in its rawest form, make sure you use a butter. I don't know, like you can just grab one real quick. I don't know, like a net or gold kind of butter that has a lot of natural oils inside of it that help your body replenish, that greatness, that good, that giggity good cut. Oh yeah, so to replenish the goodness there. It's very important to make sure you do that because when I first got into using black soap in its raw form, the natural stuff, I would use it straight on my skin and I would rub it on my skin just like that. Right? I would rub it in. And what would happen is I would end up scratching my skin up because of the rocks and stuff inside of it. So that's something to be very, very cautious of when you're using black soap in that nature because it can scratch your skin up if you're using it just straight on. I recommend it, using a loofah or a washcloth or something like that. Get a nice lather, rub it on there, make it feel real good, and you'll be good to go. Now, quick story though. When I was a kid, my mom got me the Nubian Heritage black soap. Right, I had like real bad acne when I was a kid. I'm not gonna say real bad. It was mildly gross. And what she did was she got me the black soap from Nubian Heritage, and it was like this really black box. Everybody said black soap is really good for acne, which is the case. Natural and raw black soap is really good for acne. But she got me the soap, and when you used it, the entire sink would turn black because of whatever kind of coloring they used to make it extra black. And it's kind of like a knockoff, so it's not really the best kind to use. But if that's all you can afford, by all means, shoot your shot. But where was I going with that? I can't remember. But I used it, and that was the story I had. So, all right. So I'm gonna just get to the do's here because apparently I'm just losing this whole train of thought. This whole choo-choo of thought is just starting to disappear here. But if you're going to use a black soap, Net or Gold makes one. It's a black soap here. This one's Ubaba. It is combined with other oils. So this one has in it water, aloe vera, the coca pod ashes, like I spoke when it comes to the raw rock, plantain skins, ashes, palm oil, golden Indian castor oil, jojoba oil, vegetable glycerin, hemp seed oil, sunflower oil, honey, coconut oil, activated charcoal, pine essential oil, for a couple other essential oils. But the whole thing there is that oil combination that's in there is an amazing job of really getting back. So we talked about jojoba oil in the video before, and jojoba oil really mimics your skin's natural oil production, and that natural oil production is what your body needs, and using a raw black soap like this can strip that away from you. Like when I say it strips, it makes you feel dry. It really does. It's great stuff. It really removes a lot of toxins and stuff like that, but that removing of the toxins does leave you feeling empty, like a shell, and that's usually how I felt when I used it. So this whole video was just to tell you that if you're going to use a raw black soap, make sure you moisturize with something from Net or Gold, maybe whatever, or invest in something that has oils in it. Now, of course, there's a bunch of different black soaps on the market. It's a very saturated market. You can find something really good there as well if you don't like my stuff. But the main thing to make sure of is that it has natural oils in it, like natural oils. Read the ingredients, double check it, make sure there's none of that fugazi stuff in there. And yeah, so that's about the gist of that one. Hey Chris, you out there? Come on in. You dressed?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So Chris is here. She showed up. I heard her coming down the stairs. So, yeah, how do you like my setup?
Very nice. I just put the baby down. Gotta let the dogs out. Got baby dude.
Okay, we got baby dude. Is it even charged? Oh, okay, thanks. Thanks, baby. Yeah, love you too, hon. Alright, it's charged. So we're good on that end. So right now I got baby dude. You can see he's sitting in his knocked out sleep. But yeah, so that's the gist of this entire video. Just wanted to make sure and hammer into you all the importance of utilizing natural oils when it comes to your skincare, hair care routines. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you're watching this on YouTube, please use that discount code that's located in the description below. If you're watching this on IGTV, there's no discount code below, so you might want to go on YouTube and do that. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. If you have any suggestions for some cool videos that you'd like me to do, let me know. I'm working on creating really cool content here. I got this whole dual camera thing going on, as you can see. And yeah, so I'm gonna do my best to really up the production here. Now, here's one disclaimer though. Boss Mick does run everything. So if Boss Mick is like, no, you're not recording a video today, I'm not recording a video today. It's just that simple. I don't make those kind of calls. I don't make those kind of shots. I don't make enough money for that. So that's all Boss Mick thinks. So I'll let him know what you all like to see and then run it by him. If he lets me have it, then you guys will have it. If he doesn't let me have it, I do apologize. He's in charge. Okay, I think we're done here. I think we've finished this conversation. I think the gist of this is good to go. So have a good day. Catch you later, and deuces.